This week on dates with cooking. Cooking with dates? No, this is good. This is good. Well, be real of my mom cracking up because we've messed up like 6 times on this intro. Datl Busserl Part 1.
Any kind of nuts that you'd like, either pecans
Not
or
testicles.
walnuts.
Hello, TV land. You're not TV land, you're Instagram and TikTok. But anyway. Okay. So. Now we're recording.
It's not recording. Wait a minute.
I guess would probably be more.
Cooking with dates.
This week on Cooking with Dates, starring my mom, which my mom knows like the back of her hand. Oh, look at that. Teach me this pronunciation, lady.
Busserl.
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 Wait, let's. Datl Busserl Part 1. Dates, walnuts, vanilla extract, and salt.
Except you made pecans.
Oh. Nuts. And what's a date without a little? I broke it. I broke it. What could possibly go wrong? Well, let's see. So we're doing something that's called Datl Busserl, which because it's date week. Dun 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 dun. It's called a Datl Busserl, correct?
Yes, which is a little date kiss.
Okay, well, Datl Busserl, did I say it right?
Yes, very well.
Take 75. So this week we're doing dates, and I figured what better way than to have a date in the kitchen with my mom. Oh, but even better, we wanted to do something that was nostalgic, and for me, one of my favorite dishes that my grandmother used to make was something that was called
Datl Busserl,
she's my translator,
which is also a German translation of the English, which is a date kiss.
So yeah, it's basically like a cloud of a meringue. It's sweet, it's got dates, sometimes it's got nuts, and sometimes it's got chocolate. I guess you can pretty much put anything you want in it. It's delicious, it's great, and yeah, I guess
it's simple.
Oh yeah, it's actually only got a total of 6 ingredients, and you don't even need all 6 ingredients. You really only need 5 of these ingredients. You need egg whites, sugar, salt, vanilla extract.
Either pecans or walnuts, your choice.
And, of course, the star of the show. Dates, please! Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking our egg whites, right? Mm-hmm. And we're going to have room temperature egg whites. 3. And this makes, roughly depending on the size that you're doing, I think it makes what, 2 dozen?
Yeah, at
roughly.
Least 3 dozen maybe.
3 dozen, 2 dozen, 5 dozen, 7 dozen. Okay.
Add a little dash of salt.
Say that again?
In In order to enhance the beating of the egg whites, you add a little dash of salt.
So, Mom, you said there's a specific test that our grandmother used to do, right?
Yes, she used to in order to make sure that her egg whites were not loose, she would jokingly take the egg whites and
put them over your head just
put
to make sure.
over your head. And of course, if they came out, then you knew they weren't foamy enough.
If anything, it would have just added a nice protein sheen to your hair.
This is true.
But yeah, nothing came out, so we're good.
So you want to make sure they're nice stiff peaks.
Okay.
And the trick to adding the sugar is to do it in a very small amount at a time.
Okay.
So you can add your vanilla, and then you're going to add your
And I'm
sugar, and
still
yes,
beating
you're going
this
to be beating
while-
it, and you're
okay.
going to add your sugar in very small increments, like.
Okay. Oh, that looks good.
Okay, and then you're going to gently fold in your dates and your nuts.
This is a G-rated. Okay.
So we're adding our nuts. In this case, we're using pecans.
Should I throw in the dates too?
Mm-hmm.
It's raining dates. Man, it's like a Tinder app. It's just raining dates everywhere. I don't get it.
You're basically, the reason you added the sugar slowly and the reason that you're folding rather than just beating in is to not compromise the beautiful foamy peakiness of the meringue. Beautiful. And if you don't like nuts, you don't have to use them. Yeah, feel free to just use the dates.
And then do we want a sheet tray?
You get a sheet tray, you
Parchment
want
paper?
parchment paper.
Did you do the honors?
Sure.
Let me see. How much is it over? How much?
You can, and just leave it up. That way it gives you an extra handle if you want.
Oh, you want to do that or you want to do that?
Either one.
Okay.
I sometimes overlap. And then you're
Okay.
just going to take them and...
Do you want a spoon?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that will do.
Or what kind of spoon did you get?
I'm looking at this one, but
This one?
yeah, it's kind of cute, but I don't know. It depends. And the size of your cookie is totally on to you.
Okay.
Want to give me a hand?
Do the honors.
And basically, you're just going to do a little droplet. And these will then be your kisses. I think we can get 3 on that. I'm gonna see how this makes that cookies. Let's make them very small. Change the amount that it makes.
Okay.
That's for someone on a diet. And this one looks like a giant.
And we're gonna throw these into the oven at 200 degrees for 55 minutes. That's my butt. That's my butt. One more.
Delish.
I heard it's really good for. That's right. I'll do it too, just so that way we're matching. Okay. It's good for your nose. Wasn't it from Robin Williams in Mrs. Doubtfire, where he like dips his whole head in the meringue?
Very possibly.
Ooh. Tell me how you like it.
Heavenly. Really?
Mmm. Datey delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Into the mouth.
Yeah.